Hey there, awesome peeps! Ready to roll into 2024 on some seriously cool wheels? Join us on a chill journey through the best electric bikes for adults. 'Cause who needs traffic stress, right? Imagine this, gliding through the city streets with the wind in your hair and a smile on your face. We're here to help you discover the warmth of the electric bike revolution. No fancy jargon, just pure biking bliss. I've done the scouting so you don't have to. Check out my top picks for the raddest electric bikes around. Commuting, cruising, or just flaunting your style, we got the deets. And hey, the links to snag the best prices on all these awesome bikes, they're just a scroll away in the description below. Because who doesn't love a sweet deal, am I right? So grab a seat fam, and let's dive into the future of biking. Your next adventure is just a pedal away. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button, and let's ride into 2024 together. Number 5. A Venton CB 860 liters. It's my top pick for best for quick rides. It's perfect for adults with a 350-watt motor that zooms up to 20 miles per hour. Ideal for a speedy commute to work or school. Smooth journeys up to 26 miles on one charge, and you can go even farther with an extra battery boost. What sets it apart? The removable batteries make recharging a breeze. No fixed batteries to fuss with. Just plug in for 4 hours with a dual charger. Need more distance? Grab some PowerShare batteries and double your travel range. Feeling the need for speed? With 5 pedal assist levels, this electric bike can handle hills and long stretches effortlessly. And if you're feeling lazy, there's a throttle function for a quick burst without pedaling. Plus, the unique step-through frame makes getting on and off easy for all riders. Safety is key. Trust the precision mechanical disc brakes for reliable stops, even in heavy traffic. Manage those hills with the Shimano 7-speed chain for smooth shifts. Number 4. Lectric XP. This is my top choice for the best features. It's a straightforward choice for adults, featuring a steady 300-watt motor with a peak power of 720 watt when you go full throttle. Pedal manually or use the 5 pedal assist levels for a boosted ride, hitting up to 20 miles per hour. Why I recommend it? This adult electric bike is versatile, conquer concrete, gravel, grass, and dirt. It even handles light rain and puddles like a champ, thanks to its water-resistant electrical components. Wondering if this e-bike is for you? Spoiler alert. Yes, it's perfect for college kids on campus, hikers exploring trails, city dwellers dodging traffic, and even grandparents cruising around town effortlessly. The best part? No assembly required, just unfold and go. This folding electric bike is beginner-friendly with its intuitive design. The 48-volt 7.8 ampere-hours battery charges fully in 4 to 6 hours, sliding seamlessly into the hidden battery compartment. Number 3. Haybike Cityscape. My top pick for best commuting. It's an adult-friendly choice, featuring a 350-watt motor that gives reliable support and hits a top speed of 19 miles per hour. The modular 36-volt 10 ampere-hour battery lets you travel up to 40 miles per charge using pedal assist. Why do I recommend it? The Cityscape has upgraded materials, a step-through geometry frame, and a wide swept-back handlebar. The true comfort cruiser you've been searching for. Equipped with 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, 7-speed, and shock absorber, it offers an excellent riding experience, getting you across town like never before. What's cool? 3 working modes. Breeze around with the throttle function or kick in one of the 3 levels of pedal assist. Plus, it comes mostly pre-assembled, so you won't waste time on complicated assembly. The integrated rear rack is ready for panniers, platforms, or baskets to carry your cargo on your next adventure. Number 2. Ania mountain bike. Here's my top pick electric bike, best for adventure. Perfect for adults, it's got this killer 48-volt 10.4 ampere-hour battery that gives you 25 to 55 miles on a single charge. And get this, it's lightning fast to charge up, just 3.5 hours, and you can do it super conveniently whether you're on or off the bike. Equipped with a 500-watt and 750-watt peak motor, this bike provides more than enough power for your daily commute or a mountain adventure. The cruise control feature makes your ride effortless, and the PX54 waterproof plug adds convenience for component replacements. What's cool? Larger 27.5-inch wheels for greater speed, and a lockable suspension fork that lets you choose the right shock absorption for different terrains. With 4 working modes, including pass, throttle, cruise, and pure pedal, you can customize your ride. The smart colored LCD display shows speed, mileage, voltage, and battery power, with an error code indicator for easy troubleshooting. Assembling is a breeze. The bike is 85% pre-assembled, and there's an assembly video for guidance. With 1-year service for key components and lifetime technical support, this mountain bike is a reliable choice for your cycling adventures. Number 1. Oro Monster 100. This is my pick for best overall. It's a solid choice for adults, featuring a 350-watt Buffon brushless motor and a 21-speed gear that handles any terrain with ease. What stands out? A quick 3-hour charge time with the 4A standard charger, and you're good for a 7-mile ride in just 15 minutes. Perfect for a quick break. The 36-volt 13-ampere-hour Li-ion battery offers a generous range of 28 to 35 miles in pure electric mode and 28 to 45 miles in pedal-assisted mode. Safety first, right? With mechanical disc brakes and an ergonomic design featuring a front fork and airbag saddle, you'll enjoy a comfortable and secure ride. Plus, it's SGS certified for safety with UL 2271, UL 2789, and UL 1012 certifications. Assembly is a breeze. It comes 85% pre-assembled with tools and instructions included. Enjoy a 12-month warranty and US local call center support for any assistance. Alright folks, that wraps up our chat on the best electric bikes for adults in 2024. We covered some fantastic options, so if you're ready to hit the streets or trails in style, you know where to look. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. We got your back. And hey, if this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, share the electric excitement with your fellow riders, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned for all the latest content, tips, and reviews coming your way. Until next time, happy riding.